Introduction. Welding is commonly used fabrication process that joins pieces of materials. This can be accomplished by partially melting the work pieces, sometimes also adding a filler material to form a pool of molten material that solidifies, cools and subsequently becomes a strong joint. Introduction. Other welding methods use pressure with or without heating to produce the weld. Different energy sources are used to produce the weld, including electricity, laser, electron beam and friction. Filler rod, weld seam, welding torch, acetylene cylinder, oxygen cylinder, gas regulators, oxygen supply, acetylene supply, mixing chamber, welding tip. Welding safety. Welding jacket, boiler suit, helmet and safety goggles. Welding machine. Welding position and joint. It is important because of the welder's skill and qualifications are to a large extent determined by the welding position. The electrode manufacturer needs to define the position for which their electrodes are suitable. Lap joint, butt joint, T-joint, corner joint, edge joint.